Today I'll be talking about after corona infection or after COVID infection, after completing around 14 days, still so many patients still get cough. So I just want to answer this question: ki for how many days a person or the patient can have cough after getting the COVID-19 infection? So here we need to understand one thing: the COVID-19 infection, corona infection, is of lungs. Mainly it involves lungs. Mainly it significantly damages lung. So depending on the extent of the involvement of the lungs, if suppose patients don't get pneumonia at all, or if the patient gets significant pneumonia, and in this scenario, more is the injury to the lungs, more is the damage to the lungs, more are the chances that the cough will last longer. So, if the patient has significant involvement of the lungs, the patient may have cough for up to 1.5 months also. But usually, as the day passes by, our body repairs our lungs day by day, day by day, day by day. So, after around 14 to 15 days, if the patient still have cough, so we don't need to worry. You still need to continue some medicines like Monter LC, antihistaminic, cough syrups, and some other medicines so that the cough will day by day will keep on improving. Those patients who had significant involvement of the lung with CT-70 score of more than maybe 10, 11, 12, those who have low oxygen levels in the blood, they may need spirometer, which will significantly improve the lung function as well as the saturation of the oxygen, and it can also improve the cough. So cough can last for few more days, maybe 2 to 3 to 4 weeks after getting the COVID-19 infection, after recovering from the COVID-19 infection. And cough definitely gets better, but it can take days. So you need to be more patient, and you can continue the medicines of cough syrup and antihistaminics and other medicines so that the cough gets better as the day passes by. So don't worry if you have cough will definitely get better.